Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover the new filter feature in the WhatsApp bot builder. So with this feature, you can easily filter your conversation using different categories from your audience tab. So to use the filter, go to this chat section and you will find this funnel option here. Click on this and you will get the filters from which you can filter out your audiences. For example, let's say I want to find some of the customers who are tagged as black. So once you will click on that filter, those customer will appear. To remove the filter, you can click on reset filter and filter will be removed. Similarly, let's say I want to find my customers who are tagged in some sequence. So if I click on the sequence, I can see I have these two customers who are enrolled in particular sequence. Click on reset filters and let's explore something else. Let's say you want to find some customers by phone number. That can be done as well. Click on phone number, try to search some of the customers with phone number. Click on this and you will find all those customers whose phone number is starting with 9650. Similarly, we have first name, last name, full name, through which you can segregate your customers and find particular users. You have user ID as well. So you can search your customer with user ID and you will find that here in the result. How you can find the user ID? Let's say whenever you go on someone's chat, you will find this their user ID below their name. So this is the user ID. Similarly, we have one more important filter, which is assigned manager. Let's say you have in your customers support team 3 people and you want to see those chats which are currently assigned to any of these agents. So you can click on them and you will find the list of open chats which are tagged to your customer agent. Since I don't have any, so the result is blank, but it should give you the result in the similar way. Similarly, we have one more filter called custom user field, and in this filter you will get a lot of options. For example, you can filter your customers using address, date of registration, date of birth, and other options which is available in this dialog box. So all these filters are going to be very useful the way you are going to manage your charts, and this will definitely be very useful to identify particular sections of your customers so that you can send them more personalized messages. Also, one more important thing to keep in mind when filtering by, let's say, tags, we have this option tags. So whenever you are filtering on tags, the chat won't update in real time for newly tagged people. So if someone gets a tag after you have applied the filter, they won't automatically appear. So what you can do to update the list, simply you need to refresh this page and all those newly added customer will appear in the result. So that's it. This filter feature can greatly improve how you manage customer interactions. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us using our help center, and we would be more than happy to help you answer your questions. Thank you, and I'll see you in